Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, got called out to a customer's house to fit their brand new dishwasher. Now the only problem is that we haven't got any plumbing for it to attach to. This is where they want it, left-hand side of the kitchen sink unit, and as you can see, there's no pipes and no power. We have a washing machine to the right-hand side, and underneath the sink unit, it's only piped up for that washing machine. So this is the washing machine inlet, and that's kinked pretty bad, so we're gonna have to do something about that. The outlet will normally either attach onto a spigot or how it is now into a hockey stick there. So I'm happy with the washing machine, but obviously to fit the dishwasher, we need to connect up a discharge, an inlet, and also power. For power, the washing machine is on an extension lead, so I'm not really happy about that. So I don't think we're actually going to be able to have this working in today's video. What I want to do is allow it from a plumber point of view to be able to connect up nice and easy. So for me to do that, I'm gonna have to cut some of this pipework out. What I'm thinking of doing is probably cutting it here and running a pipe higher level. That would relieve stress on this hose, which we'll have to replace anyway. And the plan is to basically elbow, isolation valve, check valve, 2 washing machine pipes, isolation valves, a drain point, and a new isolation, as I want to remove that, which is basically from a thinning loop on a heating system. So let's put you down, let's get plumbing. And relax. God, it's hot now. I'm like sticking. Right, with that isolator on, we can turn the water back on, and then it's just the final connections along and then back up to that outside tap. So I've just pre-done the two washing machine valves just to save me struggling underneath the cupboard. These are both facing down, and because this is at the highest point of the unit that I could get, that should give enough distance for the hoses literally just to come under and swing up onto the valves. And there we go, that's all done. All leak free, that all looks pretty good. Nice in copper, and the pipe's all clipped up back against the wall so he can't move. We've got an isolator valve up there for our outside tap, and then we have our washing machine inlet valve here, and then that one's for our new dishwasher. So that will basically connect onto this once that's all ready, and then double check valve and an isolator so we can basically work on this line without shutting the water off. All the customer could do now is chuck the outlet onto one of those spigots with a Jubilee clips and make sure he's nice and tight. We'll push this back, tidy all up. But yeah, that's everything all done. Pretty good, no leaks, looking sweet. And the customer just literally has to sort out the electrics to make sure that's good, and then we should be ready for them to use their dishwasher. But if you like today's video, please give it a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Time for a shower.